Guys, join me as I take you step by step on what happened in the court today. The argument. Let me show you the argument in the court today. What happened for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Public briefing. Note. FRN versus Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Federal High Court, Abuja, Hon. Justice James Omotosho. Let me omit all these things and start from everything that happened. Number one, what happened? One, Kanu, my lord, there is no charge before this court. Kanu immediately adopted his motion on notice filed on 30th October 2025 and said, my lord, this court lacks jurisdiction. There is no charges against me that exist in any current Nigerian status. I asked the court strike it out today. This is what Kanu asked. He requested a ruling immediately. Then two, judge refused to rule. Called the application not final. Justice Omotosho responded. Then, this is not a final address. The court will take your motion at the appropriate stage. Then Kanu replied immediately. Jurisdiction is taken first. This is Kanu's reply. Jurisdiction is taken first, my lord. Without a charge, there can be no stage. Do you see what Kanu said? Number three, Kanu read the Supreme Court judgment aloud in court. Kanu opened the certified judgment of Supreme Court, 15th December 2023, and read the famous paragraph of Galba, JSC. Count 15 does not exist in the body of Nigeria law. That's what Kanu said, laws. It is unknown to our law. The prosecution must amend it. He looked directly at the prosecution bench. You were ordered to amend it. You disobeyed. Yet you forced me to plead to a count that does not exist. That alone nullifies this entire proceeding. Then prosecution caught flat-footed. No law cited. No law cited. Kanu turned to Owomule's son. Leonard Silk, please tell this court the extent written law I allegedly broke. That is Kanu. Owomule's son paused, shuffled his paper, remained silent. There is no law. No law. Kanu repeated slowly. Just one law. The name, session, and the status in force today. Still no answer. Kanu invoked section 36/12, the constitutional kill switch. Kanu, section 36/12 is clear. No person shall be tried or convicted for any offense not defined in a written law. No written law, no offense, no charge, no trial, no detention. I should not be here, my lord. Judge Omotosho replied, that provision applies at the point of conviction, not trial. Kanu shot back instantly. My lord, respectfully, that is wrong. The moment the law dies, jurisdiction dies. Trial cannot begin. It is a nullity. AB at ab initio. It is a nullity. Kanu cited global case law. Kanu raised his voice slightly, and the cited law commending historic ruling in Ethic versus Carrington, 1765. If the offense is not found in our law book, it is not law. You are getting it, he added. My lord must take jurisdiction notice of repo. That is the Evidence Act, section 122. Judge did not respond to the legal point. 7. Court tried to force defense to begin. Mr. Kanu, are you ready to open your defense or not? Kanu respond, I will open my defense now, this minute, if you show me the extant law under which I am charged. Court fell silent. 8. Awomule, son, attempt an attack and fail. He attempted to attack Kanu just to challenge him. He failed. Awomule rose and he couldn't say anything. He's wasting the time of the court. That is Awomule. He should proceed to his defense. Kanu faced him squarely. Senior advocate, you accuse me of wasting time. Produce the law. If you show it to me, I will enter the dock this second. Let the world hear it. Awomule-san sat down silently. He could not produce the law. There is no law. I tell you, there is no written law. Observe whisper. Checkmate. 9. Kanu accused the court of denying fair hearing. Kanu. This constructive denial of fair hearing. This is constructive denial of fair hearing. You refuse to acknowledge ripple of law. Refuse to obey Supreme Court. Refuse judicial notice. That is persecution, not a trial. Court did not challenge the statement. The court did not challenge the statement. Adjournment. The court adjourned to Wednesday, November 5th, 2025 for Kanu to enter his defense or waive it. I tell una say there is no law. There is no law, no law. No law, no single law. These people are just trying to, I don't know, they are there's no law. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and share. Follow my page for more updates. I love you guys.